How to unsubscribe in YouTube. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe in YouTube. To unsubscribe in YouTube, first of all, you will need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the search bar, you need to type in youtube.com. This is the official URL of YouTube website. Now once you have entered this keyword, press the enter button to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of YouTube. Here once you reach to this page, make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the left side, you will be able to see all the options available. Here, you may also click on this subscription option, or you may click on this three bars that says all subscriptions. Click on it. Now this will open up the list of YouTube channels that you have subscribed previously. Now to unsubscribe them, you will need to click on the subscribe button at the right side of it, and here a pop-up will appear. From this pop-up, you will need to select unsubscribe option. Click on unsubscribe and confirm it by clicking on unsubscribe once again. After that, you will no longer be subscribed to that channel. You can follow the same steps in other YouTube channels that you'd like to unsubscribe, and then you will be able to unsubscribe those channels. So by following these steps, you should be able to unsubscribe in YouTube. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.